some head.
I needed it.
You ain't getting shit until you lay up in the bed. I don't give a fuck if you hungry, you ain't getting fed.
I ain't
You better
making
order
no
DoorDash
food.
instead.
Yeah, I need
I
that.
fake just how I make these bands.
What? I make
Back
that.
Tokyo where I hit my dance.
Ooh, okay.
Take a bitch out the back door cause she my friend.
Yeah.
I'm smoking hella weed, nigga, my lungs hurt. I'm coughing shit, nigga, I'm about to take a fart.
I'm in pain.
What the fuck is going on? This
I
the
don't
car
know.
freestyle, nigga, I'm got it going on.
Yeah.
Nigga, I'm dying.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
smoking frying.
Yeah.
Smoking gas oil fan, nigga. With the eggs, nigga.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is a little yogi, nigga. I just hit the bomb.
Okay.
Bought a 7 and I grind it all.
Yeah.
Cause I don't smoke no J's no more.
No, I don't, nigga.
I roll too much out what I bought.
It take too much weed.
I walked up into Smoke Island.
I walk up in that plane.
Feeling about ready to spend 1,000.
Like I own that shit, nigga.
I remember when that blue shirt nigga ID'd me.
Fuck that nigga.
He a bitch, he don't wanna see me.
I don't ever wanna see that nigga
Nigga,
again.
I'm on my fucking way.
Yeah. On my way, nigga.
I'm going through Columbia Heights.
In my G, nigga. Yeah.
I'm blowing this blueberry vape.
Blueberry, nigga.
This shit is a Mike Tyson vape.
Mike Tyson vape.
I'ma beat you in your face.
Beat your ass, nigga.
You stupid nigga, stay in your place.
You stupid ass nigga.
Nigga, why you ID me? I was 20 like shit.
I was 20, fucking 20.
I was 3 months from 21, that's it.
Why the fuck you ID me, nigga?
That nigga